Yes, everyone, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you enjoy. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And today I got 10 packs to open. So let's start with this one. What is this? English or I feel I got him. Oh no, 80 rare gold pack. Come on. Spanish left back. What is it with left backs? Come on. Give us a walkout. Spanish again, left back again. Oh, I really got him. Oh, for God's sake. So 6 packs remaining, come on. Oh, 86. Let's go. I need that as well. I'm doing a Spanish left mid to SBC. I need to fix my team as well. Brazil, centre forward. Oh, I really got him as well. Robin Firmino. Oh my God. I'm just going to discard him. Come on. Give us a walkout. Give us another one. I really got him. Guaranteed. Yeah. What are these duplicates? Jesus. Oh my God, that's terrible. Hope everyone get good stuff out of their packs. These packs are quite good, some of them. It depends if you get luck or not. What was that? This card. Come on. One more walkout, come on. Oh yes, go on. It's the lowest one, but I'll take it. You guys, yeah, it's the cheapest one, but I'll take it. Where's he playing for? Oh, Serie A. I'll take it. Special card. You know what? That ain't been too bad, actually. A special card and a walkout. I'll take that. Thanks for watching. And yeah, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out. Peace.